thank you so much for clicking on this. I'm going to give you a faculty heads up on our next faculty council meeting on April 12th at Winter Park, room 112 from 2 to 5 p.m. I'm constantly updating this agenda, so make sure you check out that link and see what the updates are, but here's our agenda as of right now. So at 2 o'clock, we'll go ahead and start our meeting with our welcome and hellos. Remember, this link is for all of your faculty representatives. If you ever need to contact them, all of them are here. You have a picture and their name and their email. They're amazing faculty, so if you ever need to get a hold of them, please don't hesitate to contact them. These are your representatives. Then I'm going to go ahead and show the March schedule. Here are the meetings that I attend and the agendas. So if you have any questions on the meetings that I'm attending or what's going on at the college, please don't hesitate to contact me. Here's the previous agenda from last month. You can go back and look at the different agendas. And then I'm going to start with some updates. Civic literacy requirement update from Karen Borglum. This has been changing, and and all the updates are here. You can kind of go back and see how things are changing a bit, but I want to give you the most up-to-date information that I have. The final exam change proposal, remember, it was just an idea that came to the council for feedback. The proposal's here. Feedback is here. We basically decided that we're not making any changes at all to the final exam schedule based on your feedback, and never was going for a vote or anything like that. It was just really for feedback on the idea. There's the one device pilot. There'll be an article in the Grove to give you information about that, but I'm trying to get members from the faculty council to sign up early, and then they can spread the word on what they think of the one device pilot with the Dell laptop and the setup. We'll be talking about the Faculty Association vote results. Remember, we had one candidate, Stanton Reed, who'll be going for the Vice President of Faculty Association and then President of the Faculty Association, but also to find out on the campus how the faculty council representation is going on. We also did the Faculty Council online assessment. Thank you so much for those that filled that out. We had 84 respondents. Here's the link, and with the results, we're going to go through that and see ways we can better serve our faculty. And then we're going to spend a majority of time talking about policy changes. So here's a summary form with a little bit of feedback, and then we're going to go through each one. You'll notice that we gave levels to each one. There's a leveling sheet here. We have a group of 4 from the Faculty Council that look at the policies ahead of time. Level 1 basically says that the group of 4 can say minor change, we're okay with it. Level 2 would be we want to bring it to the council for their feedback. Level 3 would be bringing it to the council, but maybe they want to go back and talk to their Senate assemblies. And then level 4, they would go to the entire association for feedback. So you'll notice that the first one, pre-employment screening and in-processing of new employees, level 1, we said it's okay, no problems, it's minor changes. Number 2, employee dependent and program development funds was basically a consolidation of these two policies. We gave a level 2, we're going to go to the council, get their feedback. The third one, education and professional development leave for staff and administration. It's for staff, it's not for faculty. But so we put it at level 1, so we said that's okay. I was actually on the committee that was part of that. The fourth one, sabbatical leave for tenured faculty, we put a level 2. There's really minor changes there, but we wanted to bring it to the council for their feedback. Total rewards, compensation of work of hours of work, and total rewards recognition of full-time employees for educational advancement. Both were level 1. Mostly focuses on staff, so we said no problems there. But again, if you have any feedback on any of those policies or questions, don't hesitate to contact me. We also have a policy for discussion, not up for vote or leveling or anything, just really for discussion. There's minor changes or some changes in the procedure portion for attendance, so please check it out. We'll be discussing it at the Faculty Council, and you can also put your feedback here. We have 3 presenters. Santiago Guzman, Director of Compliance and Auditing, our internal auditing, will be coming to talk about her role and how the Faculty Council can help. We're going to be talking about safety and security, a training idea. Mike Favorite will be there, and we'll be basically getting ideas early. Theme this year is making sure that faculty feel safe for the Faculty Council. We hear you, and we want to make sure that we respond to that, and part of that is a training. So Mike Favorite's going to come in early and get ideas, and then we're going to have a team together to design a training that could help faculty and staff about safety. Excuse me, Dr. Wendy Dew will be coming and giving a teaching and learning update. Probably talking about the FIP and the HIP and how that's going. Hopefully you're working on your plans and some professional development ideas. Then we'll go through, excuse me, and we'll talk about the campus Senate and Assembly reports, see how everything's going on the campuses. We'll talk about ways we can engage with faculty, and then we'll kind of review what happened. Our next faculty council meeting will be on May 10 from 2 to 5 at the West Campus, 11106. And again, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me at any time. It is an honor to serve you, and end of the semester is coming up really soon, so thank you so much for all your hard work to help our students. Thank you.